Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel, the channel will teach you how to make money online, the channel you come to and you begin to solve your money problems. My name is the Alpha Wolf. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Today's video is going to be a very special one. I'll be teaching you how you can make up to 5,000 naira every 3 days using your mobile phone. This is very realistic. The problem I have with a lot of people is that when you teach them things that work and you're making money from, they are too lazy to put in the effort, and at the end of the day they keep complaining that it did not work, I did not make money, this and this and this. There is no free money anywhere. If you're ready to put in the work, you get results. So the time you spend surfing Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if you use it to do this, you're going to get money at the end of the day. So without further ado, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, you leave a comment, you make the algorithm push this video, because I am doing a lot of research to give you guys quality content. I'll head over to my computer screen and teach you guys the process step by step. I hope to see you on the other end.
Alright guys, so back to this video. I'll be showing you guys the platforms, and the first platform is Sidegeek.co. I'll put a link in the description so that you can create your account. Now Sidegeek.co is a platform where you make extra source of income. It's an online workspace for freelancers, people that are doing things for free and they are making money doing what they enjoy doing for free. So how does Sidegeek.co work? Listen to this. It says there are about 33 million active Nigerians on social media, and they interact and share comments on different social media platforms, which begs the question, why not get paid for doing what you love doing? Right? Why not get paid for what you love doing? A lot of Nigerians are using social media platforms and they are not getting paid. So Sidegeek played a major role during the COVID pandemic when people were indoor, because a lot of people were able to make money to provide for their basic tasks and their basic needs by completing simple tasks on Sidegeek. So what are the simple tasks? The simple task is for you to earn money by performing online tasks, which includes you doing the basic stuff you do on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, liking people's posts, commenting, following people and subscribing to their platforms to make money. Like this time around, instead of you to do this for free, you are being paid to like a post, you are being paid to comment, you are being paid to like, you are being paid to share people's posts. And yes, there are a lot of people that are making money of this. Students can take advantage of this opportunity. Even people that are yet to get good paying jobs can actually take advantage of this opportunity. This is a way of you making money. So how do you create an account on Sidegeek? I'll put a link in the description. When you click on that link, you see a page like this. You're going to click on join as a freelancer. Then when you join as a freelancer, you see a place where you sign up. You need to create your account, put your email address, put your password, put your name and every information. But because I have an account, that is why my dashboard is open, right? I just opened an account recently, So the thing is, when you come to your account, you just need to click on task. When you click on tasks, you are going to see a lot of tasks to do. Simple tasks are paying you little tokens of money, but when you add those money together, they are huge amount of money, right? Post like an Instagram picture, like an IG post, like on IG, like a Instagram picture. You click on view. When you click on the view, it's going to show you the link to the post. You like the post and you submit. You have liked the post, you get paid. This one is like a 2 naira. You do the next one is post like another Instagram post, you do it, another 2 naira. Follow somebody on Instagram, you get 3 naira. You collect your 3 naira. Once you do all these simple posts, you might be looking at it like the money is small, but when you begin to calculate it, before you know, this will not take you, like finishing all the posts in this particular page will not take you up to 20 minutes. So you like 4 naira, 7 naira, 8 naira, 11, 15, 17, 19, 22, 24. Before you know, you have made up to like 500 naira plus on this page alone, right? If you go to page 2, you see a lot of tax. You go to page 3, you see a lot of tax. And if you want the tax that pay you more money, all you need to do is to just upgrade to the premium, right? To upgrade to the premium, you'll be able to get a minimum of 10,000 naira withdrawal on this place. You'll be making way more money than what you are making when you are using the basic plan, right? And for you to do that, you'll be seeing tax that be paying you like 15 naira per gig, 15 naira per gig, 25 naira per gig and stuff like that. And a lot of these tax are for special people that are in the premium. This general one is for everybody that wants to create account and you don't want to spend money. And I think to upgrade to the premium is not actually expensive. It's less than 3,000 naira. I think it's 1,000 or 1,500, I'm not sure, but you can go on to check it. And you can also make money by referring people. Like when you refer people and people create account through your link, you also get paid for referring people to the platform. That is why I said use the link in my description, so that I also get paid. Apart from the fact that I'm also making money doing the tax, I also get paid for referral, and you does it affect you at all, right? The second platform is one I've talked about. A lot of people watch the video, created account on the platform. Only if you have some people that have given me testimonies that they've made money from this platform, they are grateful and all, and some other people just do not take the platform serious and they'll still end up complaining. Even the platform, I withdrew money recently. I still have like, how much do I have in my balance? Like 1,000 plus in my balance. Let me open my dashboard. Okay, let me go to my dashboard. You're going to see that I have like 1,000 naira plus in my balance on the platform. I've really made a good amount of money from this platform. Okay, you can see 1,156 naira in my balance. Look at it here. My balance 1,156 naira, and I've done a lot of tax. I've made money and I've also withdrawn money. The name of this platform is called Naira Workers, and this platform is also open to Nigerians. For you to withdraw your money on Sidegeek, right, all you need to do is to connect your local bank account, any bank you are using. Put your bank account information. When you meet the minimum payment requirement, you are going to get paid your money. If you come to Naira Workers, the same thing. You need to connect your bank account, so that when you want to withdraw your money in this your wallet place, your money will be withdrawn. What I'll be focusing on is the tax you can do on Naira Workers. If you create a Naira Workers account, a link will be in the description, so that you can be able to use that to create your Naira Workers account. Click on available jobs. You are going to see different kind of jobs. There are some jobs I advise you not to do, even if they are more rewarding. There are some jobs I advise you to take. For example, you say join a WhatsApp TV for 7 naira. You can join a WhatsApp TV, very simple as ABC. Join a WhatsApp group for 15 naira. You can join a WhatsApp group for 15 naira, just like that. Okay, now when you see some high paying tax that they are paying you like up to 500, 1,000, there are some of them that are scam. You should be very careful of. Like there are some tax that they will be advising you to take a loan or do something like that, they're going to get 500 or 1,000. I advise you do not look at something like this. Sign up on Fair Money, get 3,500 naira bonus. Now the thing is, to sign up on Fair Money, you need to actually take a loan. So when you take that loan, both the person is going to be benefiting from the money, and they'll be giving you 599 naira when you are the one creating the account of a loan in your name. Do not do this kind of tax. But you see simple tax like this, create something on Amazon, do this one, 15 naira, 17 naira, 18 naira, 100 naira, 60 naira. You can go on to do all this tax easily, and you make money from this platform. A lot of people have made money. Some people make up to 2,000 naira daily just doing tax on Naira Workers. So Sidegeek.co, Naira Workers are platforms that really pay. You can go on to create your account. If you need more extended information, when you go to the website, you see the place for you to check everything you want to check. My job is to show you the platforms that pay, the ones that are making money, and for you to make money on those platforms. The last but not the least, I've been contemplating, should I add this platform or I should not add the platform. The reason is because the platform is not totally free, although the platform also pays good amount of money, and it even has more people on them than Naira Workers and Sidegeek. But for you to create account on this platform, for you to create account and start earning money doing all the jobs and the tax there, you need to pay. The name of that account is called, the name of the platform is called Viral Trend.org, right? For you to make money from viraltrend.org, you need to create an account. As you can see here, you can see get paid to do social media tax, like get followers, likes, comments on IG, get YouTube subscribers, Twitter followers, do retweets, and they pay you for you to do all these tax, right? So people are making money on this platform. A total of 284 million naira have been withdrawn for this platform, and they have over 195,000 members on this platform. The interesting thing is that the recent withdrawal today, look at it, somebody just withdrew 161k from this platform, because the person is actually making money from the platform, and a lot of people are making money from this platform. Personally, I just created my account on the platform today, but before now I have heard a lot of testimonies from this platform. The only reason I have not proceeded to do any stuff on the platform is because I have not been able to make the payment of the as a new account creator, and the reason is simply because I just created the account now, right? So maybe after now I'm going to go on to do this payment. When I do the payment, I'll make another video. But do the platform pay? Yes, the platform actually pays. And for you to begin to make money from the platform, when you create your account, you see welcome, your name is here, you go to your dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you are going to see a place where you would have two options. Either you select the basic plan or the premium plan. Look at it. The basic plan, you pay 500 naira. When you pay 500 naira, you can begin to start working and start making money. It's just that if you go to the premium, you're going to see more gigs that are more expensive, and 500 naira is not really a big deal for you to make more money. And even 1500 naira is not a big deal at all. Like, a lot of you spend more than that on data, in fact, every week. So if you put it in this platform, I'm not connected to this platform in any way. I'm not an affiliate of the platform basically, but I know this platform actually pays. People have earned as much as 30 something thousand, 60 something thousand naira from the platform. When you create your account, then you can have access to the social media tags to do, and you can begin to make money from the social media tags, right? Everything concerning the viral trend. Maybe something you can do is to go on YouTube and search for viral trend reviews and hear what other people are saying about the platform, so that it wouldn't look like I'm saying something and you are not sure. You can actually use that to verify. But this is where I'm going to end this video today. 3 platforms that pays you up to 5,000 naira in Nigeria. If you are ready to put in the work, it is not free. The money are little by little, but when you combine them together, you would have realized you have made good amount of money. Number 1, Sidegeek.co. Number 2, Naira Workers. Number 3, Viral Trend. You don't need any multi-level marketing. Is not a Ponzi scheme. You are not sending money to anybody. You are basically doing tax on the platform and they are paying you. If you find this content interesting, please make sure you like this video, like it, and let YouTube know that somebody has made a very interesting video so that others can benefit. Don't forget to leave any question, leave any comment, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop another interesting content, because that is what I do on this channel, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you premium content.